Hi Capricorn, welcome to Falcon Tarot. This is a weekly reading starting 21st of November. How we'll go about with the video is the top row is for you, the bottom row is for your person, but feel free to switch if you like. However, for me the top row is always for the sign I do the video for. Now let's quickly jump in and see what this particular week has in store for all of you. The first card that I see for you is the Fool card, the Page of Pentacles, and the Knight of Swords. Person B here has 6 of Wands, Page of Swords, and the Hermit card. Now bottom of the deck I have the Magician card, which is Major Arcana. Now this energy is a little tricky because it means that you will go ahead and command all the 4 elements so that things work out in your favor. Now you can use this energy positively, or if you want to go ahead and trick somebody, you can also use the Magician energy. Now for the first set of cards, I see you have the Fool card, which means either you have somebody who's an Aries around you, or when you are in that energy, you will go ahead and take a big leap of faith and do something that you have not discussed. Okay, you'll just take that big leap of faith and jump and go ahead and do something. The second card I see for you is Page of Pentacles. Page is immature energy, but with Pentacles it means that you want to go ahead and build something. So you want to start small and eventually build on that relationship. The third card I see is Knight of Swords. Here it's a very fast moving, rushing in energy where you want to rush in and deliver some message, because swords talk about communication. Now for person B here, the first card is 6 of Wands. This is the victory card. This person wants victory in this situation. The second card is Page of Swords. Again, this is immature energy and there's something that they want to communicate with you. And the third card being Hermit card, which means it's Virgo energy, and with that this person will self-reflect and also reflect on this relationship to see what has happened, how did things turn out, and if there is something that they can do to go ahead and correct this relationship. Now with this, let's quickly go ahead and see what is the message we have from the Moonology Oracle cards for all of you. So the message that I see for all of you is your hard work is paying off. Now that's a very positive thing, which means that if you put in that hard work, it will pay off. You just need to be a little patient. And with this, let's also quickly see what is the intention of this person for you. The first card I see is the Lovers card, the World card, and the Three of Cups. Lovers card is Gemini energy, which means that both of you have an emotional connection. You feel that emotional connection, and for some of you, you may also feel that this is a past life connection, a soulmate connection that you have with this person. The second card is the World card, which means you have to end some previous chapter that you may have been involved with, and that's when you can go ahead and take this current relationship to the next level. And with Three of Cups, for some of you it could mean that there's a third party situation. So somebody will have to decide. If they're dealing with 2 people, they will have to let go of one person in order to move forward with the other person. Now with this, we'll see what is the message we have from archangels and a crystal that can help you in this situation. So the crystal that I see for you is Sugilite. The crystal message is, are you experiencing repetitive thoughts or incessant mind chatter? Do you grab into a thought, memory, or life experience and chew it over and over and over again? It is time to let go and release situations from your past, whether it was 5 minutes ago, 5 years ago, and find inner peace and true happiness. Now with this, there's also a message here from Archangel Uriel, which I'll go ahead and put in the description box. You can read it from there. That's all that I see for you for this particular video. If you like the content, please like, share, subscribe, hit that bell notification. Until the next video, stay safe, love yourself first.